Hi สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Thai Cooking with Eddie. Today I will show you how to fry chicken in Thai style. First of all, marinate chicken by a little bit of sugar, salt, soy sauce, and fish sauce. A little bit of black pepper, mix well, gentle massage. After that, rest is around 15 or 30 minutes. Put flour. You can use self-rising flour. And then mix it well. Massage a little bit before fry chicken. I start frying with the medium heat. Done, ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you have any idea or recommend, let me know by comment below. Don't forget thumbs up to support me. Bye bye. See you next time.